Allah hayyo.
Allah hayyo. So, so many people, they made this kind of teaching Arabic and Syrian and stuff.
Okay.
And I want to make it different this time.
How?
I'm gonna teach you the Damascene slang, so like the slang we use in Damascus.
Okay.
Some kind of special words. So, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
Let's
start.
start! Woo!
Hazzi.
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 Hazzi, it means like, hey, take a look. Oh, like, hey, watch. You know?
Okay. Amted.
If I'm like chasing a girl,
Okay.
I went. I came back. Then you asked me,
Amted.
which means
Did you get the girl?
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Did you get the girl? Yes.
Amted?
Yeah.
شديت الرقم.
That's actually the second question after أمطيت. It means like, did you get the number?
Okay. Set halkak.
Shut your mouth.
Set halkak. Okay. We have to repeat that because I'm going to use that.
Oh, okay.
Probably.
There is a shortcut actually.
Seddo.
Exactly. Then it's over. Like Seddo.
صاروخ.
Two situations we use it.
Okay.
So the first situation when you order like a sandwich, like
Shawarma.
exactly the double size, it calls
صاروخ shawarma.
exactly that's double size.
Okay.
صاروخ shawarma.
Okay.
And there is other situation if there is like a very sexy girl walking in the street, and then I have to tell you
Hazzi.
exactly.
صاروخ.
Exactly. Exactly. Oh, like you are صاروخ.